This Horizon is 3 bed, 2 bath, and 2 den, all under 1,700 square feet. It's crazy just how much they can do with these 2 section models and just how much they can fit in there. So let's walk it, one take, no edits, and let's just get after here. So like, can I say this furniture is awesome? Like they really went for it with this with the layout here with the furniture, and it's like one of those Airbnbs that you don't want to touch. Like everything's just put in like such a nice spot that you don't even want to mess with it. But here are the views of the open space, and it just looks really nice, really modern. A good little kitchen dinette combo. You go back here, there is the dedicated second den, which is awesome for your guests or for your kids or for whatever you have. Guest bathroom on this side, and then we have the primary on this side. So let me show you the overhead of this, and then we will walk it in more depth. So check this out. We are doing all of the top selling models in the United States. If you want to follow along that journey, please go ahead and subscribe. And also, if you have a suggestion for a model you'd like to see, go ahead and post it in the comments. But this is the house that we're looking at right now, which is the Horizon. And here is the primary with the bathroom, large closet. And then we have the open living room and kitchen space. And then we have that second living room and then 2 more bedrooms over here, a bathroom, and then it looks like this is like a pantry area with that back entrance. Might be the laundry area. All right, let's go ahead and get back to walking it, and we will go ahead and go into that primary. And like I said, the staging, the furniture on this is crazy. Like it's just, I've never seen this color combination, and even for the house, like that comes in the house. So there is a love seat. It looks like they're making these huge, like these primary bedrooms. I want them to be like big, airy, and just you want to feel like you have lots of space. This looks like it's a queen. All right, and let's walk into this primary bathroom. That's a large walk-in shower. There's a wet closet, and here's the walk-in closet with a caddy corner door. A little bench area here. And let's head back into the common area and just look at what you see when you walk out of the primary bedroom. Farmhouse sink. Nice island. Let's check out what's going on over here. This is the laundry area. It looks like a laundry and side door area. It looks like there might be room for like a fridge or like a freezer chest or maybe a second fridge. Sometimes dehumidifier. All right, let's go back to the other side and look at the guest living room, second den, playroom, tour room for the kids. Second bedroom on this side. Shower tub combo in the guest bathroom. And then there is that last bedroom over here. Clearly this is where they were staging all the extra material, extra parts. Just a nice house. Nice flow. Definitely, you gotta want this type of section, this type of division here. You gotta want it because it looks like they do give up a little bit of that spare bedroom space. It looks like the bedrooms definitely took a hit a little bit just to make room for that living room. But I mean, if it works for you, it works for you. If you're that guest area, that second den is important to you, you're okay giving up a little bit of that bedroom space. But great layout. This is the Horizon. Let me know if you like it, let me know what you think, and what models you want to see next. See you in the next one. Bye bye.